We will not be forced to let go. And that's a message that I've been trying very hard to infuse into the environmental movement. That in its wishful thinking, hopes that the threat of climate change will force us to start loving nature. Because now we have to. Nope. The intensifying crises, ecological crises, each of them are a question. Do you want to let go now of your separation from nature? Well, let's see. How about if the songbirds are depleted by 80%? Is that enough for you to let go? No? 70% decline in waterfowl. Is that enough? How about the 80% decline in insects? How about one thing after another asks us? My job is to create the conditions where we will say yes. We let go now. And the old conception of human progress and human destiny dies. And then, for a time, we do not know why we are here. But in that fertile ground of bewilderment, a new understanding of the human being and of human destiny and human purpose is born. In that silence, the new word is spoken. In that darkness, a new light dawns. And in that dying, a new life takes hold.